And I have the honor to ask our CS, our cabinet secretary, to hand over the certificates to the applicant today. The first one is for the child called Tamara Blessings. The father is Clinton Odhiambo Otieno, and the mother Rose Akinyi.
How are you? Hi, mommy. Sleeping. Enjoying. Asante sana. Thank you very much.
The second one, Esther Shemo, the child Esther Shemo, father Samuel Otieno Nyamburi, and mother Dora Onyango Nyamburi. We have the third one, Ainsley Omondi. Ainsley Omondi, father Dickens Ochengo Kumu, and mother Daisy Akinyi Odier. We have the next one, Charles George Bryce, father Leroy Oscar Asira, and mother Stacy Odhiambo. Please. Thank you. We have another one, Heaven Mildred. Heaven Mildred, father Stevenson Odhiambo. Thank you. We have Rilek Sam. Rilek Sam, father Albert. Sorry. Okay, thank you. Okay, asante sana waziri. Pia tuko na
Wangapi wa mama wamekuja hapa na watoto? Inua mkono. Wenye wamekuja kuregister birth na wako na watoto hapa. Basi, mtu yangu atasalimia nyinyi kabla. Sawa.
waziri, tuko na one ID card. Oyundo Joshua Otieno ako wapi? The ID card alipai mwezi wa 9 na Oudo aliapply tarehe 2.
Oh, alikuwa ameapply tarehe.
Akumu, Carlos Akumu, Carlos Akumu, may apply.
Also one passport from Eunice Adhiambo Mboga, who applied on the 4th of September, and the passport is already out. Eunice Adhiambo Mboga.
All the best.
Dan Otieno Gallo. There are 3. Dan Otieno Gallo.
Nenda Dubai, eh? Very good.
Asante sana waziri, tumeshukuru sana for attending this function. Thank you very much.
Haya, tumesema asanteni sana. Sisi